What if I told you this ordinary plastic drum could become something amazing? First, we cut it open to create our base structure. Next, we add wooden blocks for stability and structure on all sides and center. Then we secure a wooden board on top to create our comfortable seat. And here's the surprising result: a cool, functional boat ready for adventure. Perfect for tourist attractions, fun destinations, or just backyard adventures. Try your own creative recycling projects and follow for more genius ideas.
Ever looked at everyday items and wondered, what else could this be? Today, we're turning this simple glass jar into something surprisingly useful. Step 1. Clean it up. Step 2. Add some personality. Step 3. Add functionality. Watch this. It's simple, satisfying, and works like a charm. Who knew ordinary items could become brilliant solutions? Try it yourself.